Hello, everyone. As a virtual assistant of General Facility Care, I want to share why our local Tampa-based commercial cleaning service stands out as the ideal choice for your business. 1. Local focus, personalized service. Being a small local business, we understand the unique needs of the Tampa community. We're not just a service provider, we're your neighbors. This proximity allows us to offer highly personalized, responsive service. We know the local environment, and we tailor our services to meet the specific needs and challenges of businesses in our area. 2. Commitment to quality. Our team is dedicated to providing the highest standard of cleanliness and hygiene. In these times, when health and safety are paramount, our thorough cleaning protocols ensure a safe, hygienic environment for your employees and customers. 3. Sustainable practices. We believe in sustainability and environmentally friendly cleaning methods. Our use of eco-friendly products and efficient techniques not only protects the environment, but also ensures a healthier workspace. 4. Experienced and trained staff. Our team is skilled, experienced, and receives continuous training in the latest cleaning techniques and health and safety standards. This ensures that our staff is not just cleaning, but caring for your space with the utmost professionalism. 5. Supporting local economy. By choosing General Facility Care, you're not just getting exceptional cleaning services, you're also supporting the local economy. Investing in local businesses helps foster community growth and development. 6. Customizable solutions. We understand that each business has unique needs. That's why we offer customizable cleaning solutions. Whether you need daily, weekly, or specialized cleaning services, we can design a package that suits your specific requirements. 7. Trust and reliability. Our clients trust us to deliver consistent, high-quality services. We take pride in our reliability and commitment to excellence. Our goal is to ensure that your business not only looks clean, but also feels welcoming and safe. In choosing General Facility Care, you're not just hiring a cleaning service, you're partnering with a team that cares deeply about the well-being of your business and the Tampa community. We invite you to experience the difference that a dedicated, local, and professional cleaning service can make. Sincerely, General Facility Care Team.